American Airlines is currently engaged in negotiations with both Airbus and Boeing for a potential deal involving the acquisition of 100 jets. This strategic move aims to bolster the airline's fleet and enhance its operational capabilities. The discussions mark a crucial decision-making phase as American Airlines evaluates the options presented by these leading aircraft manufacturers to ensure its future growth and competitiveness in the aviation industry. American Airlines Group Incorporated is in talks with Airbus SE and Boeing Co. to order at least 100 narrow-body jets to replace some of the oldest aircraft in its fleet, according to people familiar with the matter. The U.S. airline is considering Boeing's 737 MAX and Airbus's A321neo to replace aging 737-800, A319 and A320 single-aisle models later this decade, said the people, who aren't authorized to speak publicly about the discussions. The order may be worth around $6 billion, according to plane value estimates by Bloomberg Intelligence. The deal size could top 200 aircraft, including commitments for future purchases, two of the people said. American Airlines has about 255 workhorse jetliners in its fleet that are near the two-decade mark where maintenance costs soar. While the negotiations have been underway for several months, executives aren't yet close to a final decision, the people said. We continually evaluate our fleet and our future aircraft requirements, an American Airlines spokesperson said in response to Bloomberg queries. We're talking to Boeing and Airbus about our narrow-body aircraft needs for the latter half of this decade and beyond. Representatives of Airbus and Boeing declined to comment. American Airlines shares fell 2.3% at 10:12 a.m. in New York August 2nd, while Boeing declined 2% amid a broad equity market sell-off. Airbus was little changed in Paris. An order of that size by American Airlines would add to the trend of mega deals as demand booms for narrow-body airliners. Indian dominant carrier Indigo, European budget leader Ryanair Holdings plc, and United Airlines Holdings Incorporated are among the carriers ordering hundreds of airplanes at a time in recent months. Airlines are seeking to lock in delivery slots as production rates at Boeing and Airbus lag behind pre-COVID-19 levels. American Airlines is still talking the last of the 460 narrow-body jets it ordered from the plane-making duo in 2011, a landmark deal that convinced Boeing to move forward with the 737 MAX. Including subsequent transactions, the airline is due to take 148 more single-aisle jets through 2027. If American Airlines were to finalize an order with either manufacturer, it would mark the second 100 single-aisle aircraft order by United States US-based airline in the past few months. In December 2022, United Airlines ordered 100 737 MAXs split between the carriers, exercising 44 options and ordering 56 new aircraft, while also ordering 200 787s, 100 firm, 100 options. American Airlines also spurred Boeing to launch the successor family to the 737NG, the 737 MAX, after the airline ordered a total of 460 aircraft, split between 260 Airbus A320 family and 200 Boeing 737s in July 2011. 100 of those were for 737s with new generation engines, which Boeing eventually named the MAX. According to CHAviation.com data, the airline currently operates 70 Airbus A321neo and 51 Boeing 737 MAX aircraft. While it was the only Big Four airline in the US to have operated profitably in Q1 2023, American Airlines has also had issues with debt. In Q2 2023, when its net profit was $1.3 billion, it estimated that by the end of the year, it will have a total debt of around $43 billion. At its peak, the airline's debt was $54 billion in Q2 2021. Despite being at an early stage in their deliberations, American Airlines hinted at its minimal fleet replacement needs during an investor call last month due to the relatively young age of their current aircraft. The airline stated, "We expect aircraft capex for the next several years and likely through the end of the decade to average about $3.5 billion per year." If you found today's video informative, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and turning on notifications for future updates. We would love to hear your thoughts on the recent American Airlines considers 100 jet deal with Airbus and Boeing.